guys, my name is Esther. Welcome to FFTL Inspired, my world of inspiration around food, fashion, travel and lifestyle. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this very beautiful Ankara tote bag. So it's one of the videos in my tote bag making series. You can find other videos on my channel, and in this video, I've done very beginner level and basic method of sewing tote bag. As you can see, I've used the magnetic clip, there's no zipper, and I've inserted 2 inner pockets and 1 outer pocket. In other videos, I'll be showing you other methods of making different kinds of tote bags where you can insert zipper and do more things. So also not to forget, this beautiful head bag was made by myself. You can find the video also on my channel. So guys, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and keep coming back for more interesting videos that I will be sharing. So come along with me, let me show you how I made it. I have Ankara cut out for the handles and the pockets with measurement displayed on the screen. For the outer fabric, I've used faux leather with measurements as displayed, so I've cut 2 pieces. And for the inner fabric, I've used satin material with measurements as displayed. We'll also be using the magnetic clip to secure both sides of the bag. So to start with, I've measured midpoints across the length of the fabric handle, which is 2.5, and now folding one side to the midpoint with iron to press it down. So when I'm done with that side, I'll do the same on the other side. Fold to the midpoint and press down with iron. So now I'm using this fusible interfacing to give more thickness to the fabric handle in case I need to carry heavy materials in my bag. And I'm just ironing it across the length. So I'll do the same process on the other handle, but I'm going to do that off camera to save time. So I'm done with the 2 handles, as you can see, and now I'm moving to the outer pocket. So folding 1/2 inch on the open ends of the outer pocket like that. Then take 4-inch measurement from the sides of the outer fabric on both sides like that, and 4 inches from the top. Place the outer pocket on the mark point, secure with pins, and then I'll take to my machine to sew both sides and the lower end. So now I'm done sewing it, and I'm just going to work with my handles. I'll be sewing the handle across the pockets, as you can see. So I'm using the handle to cover the sewn parts of the outer pocket like that. Sew as close as possible to the edges and be very careful not to run off the line. So the point where I'm turning is about 3 inches from the top of the bag. Sorry, I didn't point that out earlier, but I had measured it 3 inches. So that's where the fabric handle will be stopping against the bag. Do the same process on the other side. So from the 3 inches marked point that I talked about earlier, I folded the outer fabric so that I can continue sewing the fabric handle. So I've sewed it from that side to the other point and do the same on the other side of the fabric. I have attached the handle and the fabric pocket to the front, so now I'm working on the back. Take same 4-inch measurements on both sides and 3 inches from the top of the bag. The 3 inches is where the fabric handle will stop resting against the outer fabric. So this one is much easier to sew compared to the front. So just secure both ends like that and sew across. So I'm just taking the measurement again to confirm. So at the marked 3 inches point, I am sewing across to the other side of this handle, and I'll just sew down like that. Now I've folded over from that 3 inches point to complete the sewing of the handle. The same process on the other side. Sew across at the 3 inches point like that. So now that we're done with the front and the back, I am placing them on each other to sew across on both sides and the lower end. So arrange carefully to ensure that the front and the back are lined. So I'm done sewing here, and I'm just turning inside out to show you what it looks like. The next thing we are going to do is to create the box shape for the lower end of the bag. And to do this, we are just going to create 2 squares on both sides of the lower end. To do this square, you will take 2 inches from the side and 1.5 inch from the lower part, and then connect like that. Do the same on the other side. 1.5 inch from the bottom and 2 inches from the side. Cut out the square on both sides. So due to the cutout, I would need to close up the open points again to prevent further opening. This I'll do on the 2 sides of the fabric, as you can see here. So I'm aligning the joint part of the base of the bag to the side and then sewing straight across. So same process on the 2 sides of the bag.
So you can see I've sewn end to end, taking out the extra thread, and I've turned inside out, so you can see. So we'll be completing the rest of this bag making in another video. Kindly check the link posted in the description box, and I'll see you soon.